Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sarika. So in today's video I'm going to show you the recipe of this beautiful chocolate butter frosting cake. Let's start. First step is to preheat the pot. Turn on the heat on high flame for 5 minutes and lower the heat for 5 minutes again. I'm adding salt so that the pot doesn't burn out. Level the salt. Place the stand and cover the pot. In a bowl, add 2 cups of maida, 1 cup of cocoa powder, 2 cups of powdered sugar. This is a regular sugar which I have grinded in a mixer. Salt to pinch. Baking soda half teaspoon. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Use whisk and mix it for a minute. Now add half cup of a refined oil, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, milk 125 ml approx. Mix it gradually. At this stage, take half cup of lukewarm water, add half teaspoon of coffee and mix well. Add this gradually into the batter and mix well. Here I am using hand beater. So now our batter is ready. Now take a cake pan. I have greased some oil. Add maida and spread all over the tin. This way the cake is not going to stick in the bottom of the pan. Now pour mixture into the tin. Gently tap the pan. Make sure there isn't any lumps. Open the pot carefully, it will be hot. Place your cake pan gently on the stand. Cover the pot, let the cake start baking. First keep the flame on medium for 5 minutes, then lower the heat and continue cooking for 30 to 35 minutes. For the cake frosting, I'm taking 100 gram of Amul butter and mixing it well. Butter should be of a room temperature, and this is gonna take a lot of time. So with the help of a whisk, I'm gonna mix it. After blending for like 15 minutes, look at the consistency now. The butter has become all white. At this stage I'm gonna add powdered sugar and mix it well. Do not mix powdered sugar all at a time. Mix it gradually. Add the rest of the sugar and mix it well. Here I have used a little more of a sugar because the butter is salted. If you are using unsalted butter, then lower the quantity of the sugar. At this stage, add 1 teaspoon of milk and half teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it all. So our butter frosting is ready. Now check the cake after 35 minutes. Insert a toothpick. If it comes out dry or clean, then your cake is ready. I'm checking on all the sides of the cake. Take out the cake pan carefully. Cool down the cake for 10 minutes. Use knife to loosen the sides and turn over the cake on a plate. And look at this, the cake is so soft. Divide the cake in 2 equal parts with the help of a knife. You can also use thread to divide the cake. Now apply the butter frosting on the first layer of the cake. Spread evenly. Place top layer. Here I have cut out the dry and cracked part of the cake. Cover the cake with butter frosting as much as needed. Make the layer smooth as much as you can. So for decorating the cake, I have prepared chocolate ganache by mixing dark chocolate and cream using double boiling method. Decorate the cake with chocolate ganache the way you want. Here I have done a simple pattern. It's not perfect, but that's okay. Now in order to give the cake a little pop of a color, I have used gems, crushed it into pieces and adding this into the cake. So yeah, our cake is ready and this is how it looks. Actually, I made this cake for our wedding anniversary. I'll attach some picture here. So guys, please do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below if it was helpful or not. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.